In times of need, it truly takes a village to get a community back on its feet. One group put together by a former Lady Vol softball player and an area realtor is bringing the village to those in need. That village spearheaded by Kaylin Cole and Hannah Frazier, the two getting volunteers together and getting to work shortly after the floods. Cole, a Cott County native, says this place and these people are special.
In a nightmare, it's that glimpse of, hey, everything's going to be okay. Our community is a good community. Our group of people is a good group of people. I couldn't speak more highly of these people, and I just met them 3 days ago.
The group Cole is referring to took to the River Chase Trail neighborhood situated on the banks of the French Broad River. They started helping Miss Jerry Evans, who barely made it out of the neighborhood as the waters rose. Evans thankful they were there.
I have all hope in this world because of such good crew that's here today helping us to clean this up. I know it may take months, but we will recover. And we are Cott County strong forever.
In the same neighborhood is 77-year-old Vietnam veteran Wayne John McMahon. His house covered in thick mud on the inside. He lost everything in the flood. He recounts what he thought as the river started coming over its banks.
Please, God, make it stop.
John finding his military uniform and his father's flag among the mud, beyond thankful for his neighbors and community.
I'm lost for words because of being so thankful for that I'm still here. All the neighbors are accounted for down here, and everybody helping. I don't know the words. There's no words that can describe this community and how they pulling together.
Jerry Evans offering this sentiment to other Cott Countyans who are in the process of cleaning up as well.
Hope. There's always hope. Don't ever give up because God is still in control. We love them and we feel their hurt because we're so hurt.
Kaylin Cole and Hannah Frazier are asking for more volunteers to come out and help as they continue going through homes and cleaning them up. In Newport, Dominic Webster 6 on your side.
Dominic, thank you very much. If you're interested in volunteering with this group, Dominic just profiled in that story, we're told they meet at the Newport Walmart every morning at 9 o'clock.